In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule post on Zoho Social for TikTok. First, open Zoho Social in your browser and head to your dashboard. This is your control center for planning and publishing content. Make sure your TikTok channel is already connected to your Zoho Social brand so it appears as an option in the composer. If it's connected, you're ready to go. Next, click New Post. This opens the Post Composer where you'll build everything for your TikTok. You'll see a space to write your caption and the ability to add media. Draft your caption here and consider using clear calls to action and a few relevant hashtags to improve discoverability. Keep it concise and audience focused. Now select your TikTok channel in the account picker. If you want to publish this content to more than one platform, you can select multiple channels at the same time, but remember that each network has its own best practices. Since this video is about TikTok, confirm that TikTok is checked before you move on. Attach your media next. Click the option to attach media to open your file picker. Choose the video you plan to post to TikTok. For best results, use a vertical video with a 9:16 aspect ratio and make sure it meets TikTok's format and duration requirements. Use clear file names and check the preview thumbnail so you can quickly spot the right clip. Once selected, confirm by clicking Attach. Give the upload a moment to process. You'll usually see a progress indicator, and then a preview of your video appears in the composer. With your caption in place and your video attached, it's time to schedule. Click Schedule for a specific date. A date and time picker will appear. Choose the day and exact time you want the post to go live. Double check your time zone in Zoho Social so the scheduled time matches your audience's location. If you follow a content calendar, align this with your campaign plan and consider your audience's peak viewing windows for the best engagement. When you're satisfied with your settings, click Schedule. Zoho Social will queue the post and confirm that it's scheduled. You can always return to your scheduled post list to review the queue, verify the time, or keep an eye on your publishing pipeline. That's it. You've composed your TikTok, attached the video, set a specific date and time, and locked it in with a single click. Scheduling like this helps you stay consistent, collaborate smoothly, and free up time for engagement. Thanks for watching and happy scheduling.